In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix RedNote not sending code. So what you're going to do for this is you're going to click on the top left, the three stripes. And in here you see an option to log in. And I need to say that there are two options to do this. And I'm going to explain all the options very concisely. So the first option is log in with your phone number. And in order to log in with your phone number, you need to be sure that you have it filled in correctly. So you need to select the right country, the right number that is aligning with the country code. And when you type in your phone number, then you can click on the login, and then in the end you will receive a verification code when you do everything correct. But let's say this doesn't work and you're not able to receive this code, then you can click on login with passport in here. And in here you can just type in your phone number and type in your password, and this will allow you to log in without a verification code. So that is an option to do it without a verification code. So that's option number one. But let's say you don't have an account yet, then you click on this right option, can't use PN. And in here you have some other options. And the first option is to use your phone number to search for your account. But let's say you don't have an account, then you can confirm as well with the real name authentication, the bottom option. And this will actually make you confirm your personal details with your passport identification details and data. And you can also use the Chuao Hongshu ID, but this is of course only for people that are living in China. So I hope this video helped you with solving your issues. If it did, please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I'll see you in the next one.